If you're after something super refreshing or a bit of a pick-me-up when you're feeling unwell, then this homemade fresh ginger beer is exactly what you need. So first of all, I'm going to take lots of ginger. I have around 260 grams here. I peel it using a spoon. I find this method to be a lot easier. Using a spoon, you actually maintain more of the actual ginger than you would if you're using, for example, a knife. You could also, of course, use a regular peeler. Then I take the peeled ginger and I chop it into blocks, and I go through with my spoon and make any final cleanups. You want to then take these blocks and wash them off. Then take a blender and add into the blender the ginger that we've just prepared, along with around 2.5 cups of water. You can also use some fizzy water here too. Half a cup of brown sugar, the juice of 2 limes. Now you really got to get in there to extract as much juice as you can from these limes. It does take a little bit of muscle work. And then we're going to blend this all together until it is nice and smooth. I also chuck a clove in there too, which helps give it a more powerful taste. We're then going to use a strainer to extract as much juice as we can possibly out of this mix. Now this takes a bit of patience, but it all comes together in the end. Check out soulfulkitchenco.com for even more recipes.